When it comes to choosing paint, there are two brands who really get the limelight: Sherwin Williams and Benjamin Moore. You might be wondering, okay, but which is the best wall paint? Well, after years of remodeling homes and trying just about every paint brand out there, it feels like, I've used both Sherwin Williams and Benjamin Moore on several projects, and I'm sharing my thoughts on the pros and cons of each of them here. First, I'll say these brands are both considered really good paints and known for strong color collections and good coverage, which 20 minutes into a paint project is a pretty big deal. After 20 minutes of painting, that's usually when I start reconsidering my life choices. Anyhow, back to the details. Let's start with Sherwin Williams. This is your loyal, eager friend who's always there when you need them. You'll find so much info on Sherwin Williams colors, including my own color reviews. There are a lot of things I love about this brand. First, they have hundreds of popular paint colors. Many are the top choices of designers, so it's easy to grab an idea you see online and actually apply it in your home. Personally, I'm a tried and true fan of their Pure White, over here on the wall, and Tricorn Black. Those are two neutrals I keep on hand, and I also have separate videos on them if you're interested. Additionally, Sherwin Williams seems like it's pretty easy to find. And more recently, Sherwin Williams is available at Lowe's. Though, I will note, that is not the same professional grade of paint, so the quality is not as high. In my experience, Sherwin Williams is the first choice of many professional painters. So when you're hiring them, that may be a brand that they prefer. Okay, now for the downside of Sherwin Williams. Some of the colors are redundant, and I don't think they're necessarily on the cutting edge of the paint color world. Don't be mad at me, Sherwin. And just a little personal beef, their satin finish is much shinier than what I would expect. A hard lesson learned on that one. Overall, I'm pretty loyal to Sherwin, and their paint is perfect for bigger or whole house projects. Now, let's chat about Benjamin Moore. Well, let me see. I fell in love with Ben about 9 years ago when I discovered Hale Navy, one of the most perfect navy blue paint colors I've ever seen. And it's been kind of a long distance love affair ever since. At the outset, Benjamin Moore offers so many amazing colors. They're really rich, designer colors, a lot of classics, and many of my favorites like Chantilly Lace and Onyx, which is behind me. And of course, that Hale Navy. Compared with a lot of other brands, their paint goes on like butter. I've often only needed one coat for a project. Also, their specialty paints do what they say they're gonna do. They're not just a gimmick. I tried their mildew-resistant bathroom paint that is actually available in a special matte paint finish in their Aura collection. It's a flat look, but still easy to clean and mold resistant, so perfect for a bathroom. I also tried their cabinet specific paint, which is self-leveling, so it dries like a hard enamel finish. It's not 100% the same as a professional doing it for you, but it's pretty darn good. That said, Ben, we're on a first name basis, is more expensive than a lot of other brands, including Sherwin Williams. It can also be a little harder to find. However, my local Ace Hardware carries Benjamin Moore, and it actually is the same quality. Another downside is if you're hiring a painter, they tend to not use Benjamin Moore, likely because of the cost and the availability. So be cautious of any sort of color matching. I've got another video on that. In the end though, Ben has my heart. I absolutely love their colors. If I had unlimited cash or I was working on a smaller detail project like these cabinets, I go with Ben. There you go, my rundown on Sherwin Williams versus Benjamin Moore. And I've got lots more to say about them both, so check out my paint playlist, along with the link below to my favorite paint colors in the description. I've got some Sherwin and some Ben in there. And if you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate a quick like and subscribe. It helps me grow this little itty bitty channel and keeps these paint videos coming. Plus, if you have any paint color questions, throw them in the comments. I respond to every single one. And finally, if you're wanting one-on-one help with your home, I offer one-on-one 30-minute video calls where we can look at your space and chat about paint, layout, decor and furniture suggestions. It's an accessible, non-judgy way to get decor help, and it's one of my favorite things to do. That link is below. Thank you for watching.